Hi, this is Tutor Nick B, and this is Lesson 78. Today we're going to look at the word almost and where you should place it in a sentence. So that's even the title here. Be careful where you place the word almost in a sentence. If you place it in the wrong place, it'll modify the wrong word and it will completely change the meaning of the sentence. So you must be careful. All right. So let's take a look at that. The word almost will modify or describe the word it is directly next to. Almost means something is close to or nearly something, but it is not that thing. So it comes close to it, but it's not actually that. So let's look at the examples. Again, anytime you see X, that means it's wrong. So this is where a student might make a mistake. He might say, he almost drinks a cup of coffee every morning. Well, this would be wrong, because if you say he almost drinks a cup of coffee, it means he doesn't drink a cup of coffee. It would actually kind of imply that he came close to it. Maybe he prepared it. Maybe he got it ready, and then he forgot about it. He never drank it. So if you say he almost drinks a cup of coffee, that means he doesn't drink coffee. He doesn't drink any coffee. That's not what the speaker usually wants to say. In this case, you should say he drinks a cup of coffee almost every morning. Here, almost is modifying every morning. That's what you want to say. So probably out of every 10 mornings, maybe 9 mornings, he drinks a cup of coffee. Something like that. You could choose another way. You could say he almost always drinks a cup of coffee every morning. If almost modifies always, always means all the time. So it could work here because then almost you're kind of lowering it. It's very close to always. A little less, but it's not quite always. So that works too, because that would mean the far majority of the time or most of the time. All right, let's look at another example here. He almost arrives home at 7 p.m. every evening. Again, this would be wrong. If you say he almost arrives home, it would actually imply that maybe he didn't arrive home. I don't know, did he get into an accident? What happened? He never got home. So what you wanted to say, check the correct one. He arrives home at 7 p.m. almost every evening. Here, almost is modifying every evening. So, yeah, maybe some days he's a little late. Maybe some days he's 7:30. Maybe he gets home even a little earlier. Who knows? Let's look at the last one. He almost always arrives home at 7 p.m. every evening. Again, almost always, almost here is modifying. Always means it's very close to it. It's nearly always. So that would mean the far majority of the time, or most of the time, which is what you mean. So again, just be very careful where you place the word almost. This is a common mistake. I hear a lot of students with ESL sometimes do it wrong. And again, if you put it in the wrong place, it changes the meaning of the sentence completely. So again, make sure you have almost next to the word that you want to modify, that you want to describe. Thank you for your time.